Come over here. Hey, over here. Smile. Look, you kind of.
He's gonna do it. He's gonna do this. Yay! You stood up by yourself. Yay! Oh, you sit back down? No, you're pretty strong. Let's look at those legs. Look at you. Oh no, you fell. Stand up again. One more time, Tyler. Stand up. You can do it. There you go. Yay! You're kind of sticking your booty little out. Balance. Yay! I'm so proud of you. Awesome. Good job. High five. High five, Taylor. High five. No? No?